So, good morning guys. Before tayo mag-exercise, kasi umpisahan ko na ang aking Balik Alindog program. Lagi na lang tayo nitong Balik Alindog program. Pero before that, inom muna tayo ng ating tubig para ma-hydrate. Kasi, yeah, nawala sa wisyo. Kagigising lang kasi. Kasi magtatanim din ako. Pagka, tapos, libre si Mr. today. Andun pa sa bed. So, andyan nakahanda ng aking mga gagamitin para sa aking magbibihis lang ako saglit. Ay, wala pa rin talaga sa Kasi ngayon, andito lang kami sa bahay. Kasi, yata ngayon Befrijdings Dag? Independence Day? Tapos dito, hindi yan yearly na holiday sa mga nagtatrabaho. Meron pang ibang company hindi nagbibigay ng yung free day sa mga employee nila. Sa asawa ko naman dito parang mandatory, ewan ko kung mandatory siya or every 5 years holiday siya, free yung mga tao. So free ngayon ng aking mister. So kami dito lang sa bahay. Ayaw niyang maggala-gala. Which is okay para matapos ko rin yung aking mga gawain dito. At gagawa din kami ng juice para sa aking kasi nga mag-healthy na. Ngayon, tinatry ko talaga na mag-exercise. Gigising ng 7, tapos inom ng tubig, tapos exercise for 30 minutes. So yun na, ako ngayon, for 3rd day in a row na nagagawa ko siya. Normally kasi tamarin ako sa umaga eh. So, patapos na ang aking
The mic, gonna make you swing. Feel the rhythm in your bones, let the music sing. Got that poppin' beat, gonna make you move. Dancing on the floor in the swinging groove. Clap your hands now, let the trumpets sound. Swinging to the left and swinging to the right, no room for worries. Just let go and be free. When the swinging pop, come and join the spree. Swinging melodies, taking us high. Feel the rhythm, yeah, it's gonna make us fly. Can you hear the swing? Can you feel the pop? Let's get the party started, yeah, don't you stop.
Pagkatapos ng ating exercise, gagawa ako ng juice. Ito yung juice. Yan? 4 types. Ito, ginger shot. ito na yung nagawa na juice. Yung freshly squeezed na juice. Ito, yan. Yang ano na yan is beet at saka orange. Ito naman is ito yung ginger shot. Made of ginger, of course, lemon, and apple. Ito, it's cucumber, celery, at saka apple with lemon. At ito is carrots, tomatoes, apple, and lemon. So, yan ang ating juice.
A place to go. Sunlight dances through the window. Lazy haze fills up the room. Got no plans, just me and you. Time slows down when you're around. Feel the rhythm of our hearts pound. In the quiet we find a groove. Lost in love, no need to move. It's a love, no need to move. It's a lazy weekend, just you and me, wrapped up in pink blankets under the sheets, lost in the moment, in our own dream. In this lazy weekend, we're wild and free. Coffee stains on the table, lazy kisses, we're unable to escape this cozy bubble where we're lost in each other's troubles. Time slows down when you're around. Feel the rhythm of our hearts pound. In the quiet we find a groove. Lost in love, no need to move. It's a love, no need to move. It's a lazy weekend, just you and me, wrapped up in blankets under the sheets, lost in the moment, in our own dream. In this lazy weekend, we're wild and free. Lazy weekend, it's a lazy weekend, just you and me. In this lazy weekend, we're wild and free. In this crazy life we live, we all need someone to hold, a friend to light the way when the world starts to unfold. Through all the ups and downs, the highs and lows we share, we'll stick together, ride or die. Let's show we really care. Through thick and thin, you've been there by my side, a shoulder to lean on when the tears couldn't hide. You're the one who lifts me up when I'm feeling down. With you, my friend, there's no need to wear a frown. Friendship, oh friendship, upon the storms and sunny days, together we'll walk this road, hand in hand, yeah. Friendship, oh friendship, let's make our colors blend.
So, magluluto na.
In the
It's time of the
silence
day
of
again.
the night,
Lulutuin ko is
all the
ito,
chaos
white
of the
asparagus.
day,
Kasi ano
you're
lang
the
siya,
one I
seasonal lang
turn
talaga.
to,
Like May, from
every
May.
single way.
Ganun.
With you,
Tapos, instead of potato,
solace
cauliflower.
in the warmth of your
Tapos, typical Dutch na kinakain talaga siya
together
dito.
we stand
Egg,
strong in the
yung boiled
sunless
egg, tapos may
rays.
sauce. So, lilinisin ko lang siya.
Friendship, oh friendship,
Ang white asparagus.
let's make our colors blend.
Tapos, i-boiled ko yung egg. Ayan, i-boiled ko ang egg. Sa hindi ko gagamitin yung, meron kaming pang talaga yung lutuan ng itlog ba. Pero gusto ko yung may tubig kasi gusto kong gagamitin yung tubig pang pandilig sa halaman sa loob ng bahay. Kasi kailangan yata ng mga minerals ang aking mga pananim. At si Mister, andun sa taas. Nag-aano talaga siya. Pagkatapos na aming gawain, naligo ako. Tapos, nakatulog. Nag-siesta. Unahin natin ang ating itlog. Nag-siesta kasi masama ang aking, pag meron talaga ako, ang hirap ng buhay. Diyos ko po. So, ganito lang siya pag nililinis. Kasi, yung part na yung part na sa labas ba? Hindi ko pa ito na talaga. Wala pa ako nito hindi pa ako nakakain nito sa Pilipinas. Dito ko lang ito na Kasi, unlike sa green asparagus, mabibili mo siya all year round dito. Ito, hindi. At nag-request si Mister na magluto ako. Actually, siyang bumili nito eh. Tapos, mas gusto ko sana yung yung linis na ba. Wala daw siya mahanap na linis na. Kasi yung kapatid ni Tom, nagpabili sana kami, wala daw wala pa daw yung kolega niya, yung katrabaho niya ba. So, ito na yung ating foodie. Ganito siya. Cauliflower, egg, at saka yung white asparagus. Yan na.